Hi guys, this is the Java series part 75. Now let's discuss about the InputStreamReader class and the BufferedReader class. Okay, the InputStreamReader class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and what is the role of the InputStreamReader class? It is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Okay, I repeat it again. InputStreamReader class is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Okay, and its parent class is the reader class. Okay, the reader class is the abstract class. And the BufferedReader class that is used to read the text from a character based input stream. Okay, its parent class is the reader class. Okay. Inside the BufferedReader class, we have read inbuilt method and readLine inbuilt method. With the help of the read method, we can read a character. Okay, and with the help of the readLine method, we can read the data line by line. That makes the performance fast. Okay, I hope you all understood about the InputStreamReader class and the BufferedReader class. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have imported the BufferedReader, input, output, exception, inbuilt exception class and InputStreamReader class. All are present inside the java.io package. And my class name is CharRead. Inside this class, I have created the main method and I have used the throws keyword. We have already discussed about this throws keyword. Okay, so this method might throw this input output exception. Okay, and here I have created the object for InputStreamReader class. Now only we have discussed. What is the role of the InputStreamReader? It is used to convert data in bytes into data in characters, isn't it? Okay, and its parent class is the abstract reader class. Okay, and here I have given the parameterized constructor. Okay, this is the parameterized constructor for InputStreamReader class. Inside the round brackets, I have passed the system.in. Okay, through keyboard we can give the input. Okay, and here I have used the BufferedReader class. So what is the role of the BufferedReader? This class is used to read the text from a character based input stream, isn't it? Inside this BufferedReader class only we have the read method as well as the readLine method. If we want to read a character, we can use the read method. If we want to read a line, we can use the readLine method. Okay, so both are present inside the BufferedReader class. Okay, and here I have used the parameterized constructor for BufferedReader. Inside the round brackets, I have passed the InputStreamReader class object ISR. This is the object name for this class. Okay, that's why I have passed ISR inside the BufferedReader class. Okay, and this is for output message, enter any character. Okay, and BR, this is the object name for BufferedReader. Inside the BufferedReader, we have the inbuilt method read to read a character, isn't it? So I have used the object for this class to call the method. Okay, and here read method reads a single character. Okay, so it returns the integer. So that's why I have used the typecasting process here. Okay, so the returned integer value will be converted into char. That value will be stored inside the input. That's data type is char. Okay, and that value will be printed on our console using the print method. Okay, so inside this main method, I have used two classes, InputStreamReader class and BufferedReader class. The main role of InputStreamReader class is to convert data in bytes into data in characters. Okay, and What is the role of the buffered reader class? It is used to read character. Okay. Let me execute this one. Enter any character. This is our output stream. Now I give P. Okay. Now I press the enter key. I got the output. The input is P. Okay, this is my output statement. Inside the input variable, the given input is stored. That's why we got this output. So read method returns the integer value of the given input, and that value is converted into char with the typecasting process, and that value is stored inside the input variable. That's why we got this output. Got it? We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.